Welcome to my channel. Today, we're making a delicious pesto mozzarella French baguette sandwich. So simple, yet bursting with incredible flavors. Place the cherry tomatoes in a baking dish, along with the sliced red bell peppers and garlic cloves. Drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, and season with black pepper and salt to taste. Roast in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 minutes. We'll be using only half of a French baguette. Cut it in half lengthwise and toast the inside on a grill or pan until golden. Spread a generous amount of delicious homemade pesto on the bottom half. My pesto recipe is coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Tear one buffalo mozzarella into 4 to 5 pieces and place them over the pesto. Drizzle some of the flavorful juice from the roasted vegetables on top, then layer the roasted veggies. For the top half of the bread, spread a lemon garlic olive oil sauce. Season with salt and black pepper as desired, then finish with plenty of freshly grated Parmesan. Voilà, bon appétit!